fourth, tricuspid again, and here will be aortic for the upper side.
Yeah. May I ask him to take a deep breath?
Breathing them out. Are you feeling?
Yeah.
This will be aortic palpation.
Yeah, palpation. Okay.
These four palpation are. First one is the apical, second one is the cardiac, third one is the epigastric, and the fourth one is the aortic.
Aortic. And also we can, for our vessels, we can take jugular knot.
Fourth,
Jugular
fourth palpation. The second one, now we will percussion. Percussion. Percussion will be two, right border and left border. Here will be the right and here will be the right and the left border. When will we right left? Yes, right and left. Two.
Yes.
When we will see right, that will be from the medial to lateral, and when we will see left, that will be from lateral to the medial one.
Yes.
And when we see right border, that will be from the angle of the Lewis, from the second intercostal till fourth one, second, third, and the fourth. Here, these four. Okay.
Okay.
And when we see left border, it will be from third, fourth, and the fifth.
Fifth one. Yes.
So first we will see from the right. It is suprasternal notch. It is bulging. From here will we start. Okay.
Okay. Okay. इसको आगे करो, अपनी इस उंगली को इधर आगे लेके आओ.
अगर डायरेक्टली करेंगे तो हल्का सा करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ से तो सारी बात है, थोड़ा सा तेज करना पड़ेगा. Where will start feeling the dullness? That it will be the right border. And these will be from the second till fourth. We will like the
Here started.
dullness. Maximum 3 will come. Then will be from the left one. Left one will be from lateral to the medial one, and we will start from the third intercostal vein. Again suprasternal, bulging here, angle of Lewis. Second, third. From here we will start, and we will move to the right side, left side of the patient, and then we will start like this. Better if the patient will be lie on the bed, then that will be very better. Which method is this?
Design.
And he was eating. And this one.
From the left border. Again, suprasternal, bulging, second, and the third. Yes, here. Lateral to medial.
Yes.
When we start dullness, then it will the left border, right. Then fourth.
Yeah.
Normal na?
Yeah, you can do auscultation.
Huma, आज auscultation करो इसकी.
Auscultation.
हाँ तो बड़ी auscultation.
Questions. For that one time, cross. Primero análisis.
How do you want?
Left. Upper largest.
Yeah.
Largest of the heart.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Sure. After, together. Sure.
Then the tricuspid at the fourth intercostal vein.
Ma'am, there is a change in the rhythm. Like here.
Mitral valve.
Mitral
Yes,
valve.
here
Yeah.
the mitral valve. Tricuspid valve.
Tricuspid valve,
Yes.
fourth
Fourth
intercostal.
mitral.
Second intercostal.
Left side,
Left.
right side of the patient.
Aortic or pulmonary?
At the left side. It will be aortic, and here will be
So here will
pulmonary.
be pulmonary.
Pulmonary. Right, pulmonary. Air points, additional points of aortic valve.
Here.
mainly these four.
Yes,
Mitral,
yes.
tricuspid,
This is
aortic,
aortic,
and the
yeah.
pulmonary, and this one is the
Aortic.
addition.
Окей, нота или... Чекай се, давай, слушаем.